Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. Ha, you looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I am Jabre, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my silk press routine at home. As you guys can see, my hair looks absolutely crazy, so let's get it together. The first thing that I do is hop in the shower and I just soak my hair in water. I let my hair absorb the water for about 5 minutes. I literally just let water run over my head and just let my hair just soak it all up, and then I use this little massage tool to just pass time, and y'all, it feels so good. So y'all go get y'all one of these. I found this at Marshall's and I am in love with that little device. Once my hair is completely wet, I'm gonna go in with my Way Detox shampoo. You want to make sure that you're using a clarifying or a detox shampoo when you're doing your silk press. This just is gonna strip all the oils and all the product out of your hair. It is super important to have super clean hair, so I always go in with this one because it's a super good shampoo and it really strips your hair, like so good, almost scary. So after I shampoo my hair, I just go ahead and rinse that out. Make sure that I'm getting all of the shampoo out because, like I said, this is super stripping, so you don't want to leave any in your hair. Next, I'm going to go in with my Aussie Moist. I basically just use this as a detangler. When I put this on my hair, it literally detangles so quick and easy. I don't know what they put in that bottle, but I love detangling my hair with this. I have little to no breakage whatsoever. So after I have my hair all detangled, I'm just going to go ahead and rinse that out as well. Now that my hair is detangled and clean, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I love this conditioner. I feel like this right here is single-handedly keeping my hair so healthy. Of course, with my trims and everything, but this product, I feel like it does so much for my hair, and it just always makes my hair feel so amazing after I use it. So I always like to detangle it first and then put this product in just to make sure that I'm getting every strand, and I let this sit for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and rinse that out. After rinsing, I just go ahead and put my hair up and I let my hair kind of dry a little bit in a t-shirt until I'm ready to blow dry, and here we are. This is what we're looking like. There's literally nothing like clean hair. My hair feels so freaking good. So now we can move on to the blow dry. This is the heat protectant that I'm going to be using. This is the Kenra blow dry spray, and I just make sure to get this all over my hair. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I use a lot of this stuff, but only because you can use a lot of this product. If you're using any other product that's heavier, I would not suggest using a lot, but this product is super light, so I'm able to keep going back in with it. It just makes me feel more comfortable about pressing my hair out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair into 4 sections so that it just makes it a little bit easier for me to blow dry in sections and just try to blow dry my whole head. So as you guys can see, I am just doing that here. Starting with the first back section, I'm going to take a brush and go ahead and smooth out my hair. Once I have it smoothed out, I'm basically just going to hold the ends, and this is how I like to blow dry my hair. I find that this is the easiest way to get the hair stretched without having to do too much. And I'm just going to do this until my hair is about 70 to 80% dry, just pulling it and stretching it. Also, I hit my roots to make sure that those are dry as well. That is super important when you're blow drying. And then also, you guys, this blow dryer was gifted to me, and I will have it linked down below. It is the best blow dryer I have ever used in my life. I've never used a Dyson, but I'm sure that this mimics it the way that I see people talk about it. This is like my holy grail. Like, I love this blow dryer. And then as you guys can see, I'm going back in with my brush and the blow dryer just to get those ends and make sure that everything is dry and straight. You can never blow dry your hair too much. You want to have your hair as stretched out as possible. Once you feel like it is straight as possible, you can go ahead and move on to the next section and just repeat the same exact process. So this is what we're looking for. This is pretty much how each section should be looking. You also want to go in with your fingers and make sure that everything is dry at the roots. And if it is and everything looks good, then you can go ahead and move on. Once I have all of the individual sections blow dried, I like to just go back in and make sure to blow dry my entire head just in case I missed anything. And once you have done this, your hair should be completely dry and stretched out at this point, and you should be 100% ready to start the straightening process. Now I'm going to take my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum, which is a super lightweight serum, and I'm just going to rub this in my hands and put it all over my hair. And I do this until it disappears, so you guys will see me like checking my hands, seeing if it's still some on there. A little goes a long way, so I only use about a dime size amount. You don't want to overdo this because it will make your hair oily and stiff, so make sure you're only using a little bit of this stuff and getting it all over your hair. Next, you want to get a silk scrunchie, and silk is super important because if you try to use a regular hair tie, it will hurt and tug on your hair. So I always like to use a silk hair tie and go ahead and put my hair up in a loose bun. This is what I'm going to be pulling sections out of to start the straightening process. And like I said, if you use any other type of hair tie, it will snag and pull on your hair. Now I'm going to part away the first section in the back of my head, and I'm going to be using the Camera Silkening Mist. This is the product that's going to get your hair super silky. I don't know what type of technology is in this thing, but I use it on every section that I flat iron. And I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my pencil curler. I was trying to use a hot comb, but I kept burning myself, so I said, you know what, I'm just gonna use this, and this gets my roots pretty straight, so I don't mind it at all. And then I'm gonna go in with my Babyliss flat iron on the setting 390 degrees. I don't go any higher than that, and I feel like that is like the safe area, and it gets my hair super straight in one pass, which is super important. As you guys can see, I do not go over one pass, although with the pencil straightener I will go over my roots multiple times, but when I'm going down my hair shaft, I only go down it one time. Also, you guys, it is super important to not use big sections. You want to take small sections, but not too small. I would say about the length of maybe like half an inch. You don't want to go any bigger than that with each section. And as you guys can see, I am moving very slow with the flat iron because I have found that this is how my hair gets the straightest. I've tried to rush this process and it did not turn out nearly as good. So make sure that you're taking your time, taking small sections, and making sure that your hair is getting super straight. Also, you guys, all of the products and the tools that I am using will be listed down below for you guys to check out. But pretty much from this point, this process becomes super repetitive. I would say that this probably takes me about 30 to 45 minutes to do my entire head, which is not bad at all, but it just takes a lot of patience because, like I said, you don't want to rush this process. So yeah, from now you guys will just see me going through my entire head and just repeating it.
Listen, wait me, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit sit eyeless. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Drip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you take it 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, you get when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna
Fuck the world, I'm a walking erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga called us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Come up in your mouth, you ain't speak good to me. I ain't built like him, fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on her, now we mad because you let me low. Shit ain't fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. My shit off when you tie me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'm a walking erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them, it gotta work for me. Just cause I haunt you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes, high hopes.
World, I'm a walking erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Y'all, look at that shine. Look at the movement. It looks so freaking good. Like, the jet black just be eating. I be missing my brown sometimes, but look what it did to my ends. This is the thinning that I was referring to when I was explaining to you guys in my other video about why I cut my hair. As you guys can see, the back is flourishing, but we just have to catch up with trims in the front to make sure that I get my thickness back from roots to ends. But other than that, my hair looks amazing. The silk press is silking. It looks so good. I was so happy that I was almost done, so I had to do a little happy dance. But now I'm just gonna go ahead and pan to the finished product. This is how everything looks. It looks so freaking good. Chef's kiss. This is how you get your hair super silky at home. I really hope you guys enjoyed or learned something from this video. If you did, please do not forget to give your girl a big old thumbs up, and also comment down below and let me know what you guys want to see next. And also make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. We are so close to 400K, so I would really appreciate a nice little subscribe. But this is what my hair is looking like. I am so in love with the color and the cut and just the way that this came out. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.